If you're a small business owner, your website is probably one of those things you know matters, but it's not always easy to keep updated. Between running your business and taking care of clients, it can fall to the bottom of the list. Here are 5 simple things every service-based business's website should have to help you stand out online and bring in more leads. First, clear messaging. When someone lands on your homepage, they should immediately understand what you do, who you help, and the value you provide. A simple headline and a short supporting sentence can go a long way. Second, a strong services page. Don't just list what you offer. Break down each service, explain what's included, who it's best for, and what results someone can expect. This helps people quickly see if you're the right fit. Third, social proof. Add testimonials, client quotes, or quick examples of results. Even a few specific sentences about someone's experience working with you can build a lot of trust. Fourth, a clear next step. Every page should guide visitors toward an action, whether that's booking a call, requesting a quote, or filling out a form. Make your call to action easy to find and easy to follow. And fifth, simple contact options. Make sure people can reach you without friction. A short contact form, your email, phone number, or a scheduling link can make a big difference. You don't need a full overhaul. Just tightening up these areas can make your site a lot more effective.